Hi, my name is Martin from campus.eu and welcome to our Ford Nugget instruction videos. In this video we will talk about cooking. The Ford Nugget is equipped with a 2-burner stove connected to a camping gas bottle. It's the 907 type. It's located underneath here in the kitchen. And for the gas system to run, first you open the tap on the gas bottle. In order for the gas to flow to the 2-burner stove, you have to open a valve, a safety valve. It's located underneath the 2-burner stove and you can reach the valve if you put your hand through the opening in the rear of the kitchen and reach up and turn the valve open. If it's in line with the piping, it's open. If it's vertical, then it's closed. Then you open the glass top lid, both sides, they're heat shields. And then you have a small burner and a bigger burner. Push and turn the knob and push the electric ignition. And then you have your burner running.